Hey guys, today we're going to make Gigi Hadid's famous spicy vodka pasta.
We have an update?
Yeah, so right now our pasta is boiling, getting ready, and I'm adding in 2 cups of heavy cream to what will be our sauce.
Okay, now we're putting in our meat. Oil. Meat.
How much oil did you add?
It's in ballpark estimate.
What was the ballpark estimate?
2 cups. About.
Are you bubbling very nice over here? Taste test.
It's perfect. It's al dente. Holy crap, this is so much.
It's not gonna work.
That's not
And
gonna
we
work.
have to add the water. This is not gonna work.
Meat needs a little more salt. And then we are going to combine for the final product. Delicioso. .45-degree angle. Cheers. It's really good.